Hey guys, how are you doing today? It is a great day in my neighborhood, and I've got a couple unboxings for you today. If you're new here, my name is Angie, and this is my channel where mainly we talk about food, nutrition, not like cooking food, but like eating healthy. I love to thrift, we work out, and then just whatever randomly pops into my head. So if you want to be constantly delighted and surprised, you might want to subscribe because you never know what I'm going to be talking about. So let's get going today. I ordered the Play by Sephora box. I've been a Birchbox subscriber for probably 7 years, and I love Birchbox, but I kind of got to thinking about I wanted to try something different. Didn't really realize that Sephora had a box until, a few weeks ago. So my first Sephora box came in. It's Play by Sephora, and I've not opened it up, even though I really want to. So I'm going to open it up here with you guys. All right, so to start off, they want me to do this. They're like, hey, share and show off. So I might. I don't know. We have a little book that has my 50 Sephora points. And then it's going to open up into a poster that tells us what all's in here, but I'm going to hold off on that. Okay, so here we go. So we got a red bag. Open here to start your next beauty adventure. Well, looking at my face and hair today, I clearly need to go on a beauty adventure because today it be rough. So to start off with, we have, Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner Pen. So this is pretty cool because I did just start trying liquid eyeliner for my pinup contest, and it's easier than I thought it would be. Like I thought I would have like eyeliner all over my face, but I've been using a Kat Von D liner, but I'm excited to try this. By the way, this box is only $10, and this liner in and of itself may make it worth it. It's a good liner. So that's a good size liner. All right, so I'm cool with that. That makes me happy. One thumb up. What's next in our bag of goodies? Bare Minerals Patent Lip Liqueur in Gin Nude. I haven't figured out what yet, but fun story. There is something in some lipsticks that I'm allergic to. Like I wear the lipstick one day, and then the next day my lips are chapped and peely, and that's what's going on right now because I wore some lipstick like 5 days ago. Again, I've been using the Kat Von D for pinup contests, and I haven't had any problems with it. So I'm interested to see how this Bare Minerals goes, see if I can use it, or if it gives me crappy chappy lips. That's a hashtag, crappy chappy. Let's make it happen. All right. Mon Paris by Yves Saint Laurent perfume. Apologies to all my French teachers. I like perfume. I've recently started wearing Tom Ford ombre leather. It's delicious, but I will gladly add this into the rotation. So far, so good for $10, Sephora. All right, this is Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. All right, this is where this handy dandy booklet will probably come in handy. So let's go there. An oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. This lightweight brightening formula combats the appearance of dark spots with natural ingredients. Okay. I'm not opposed to getting more even. I think we're cool with that. I love this, right? Oh, Fresh Rose Face Mask, infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. All right, this is by Fresh. A toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness. Definitely need some suppleness in my life. So that'll be fun to try. Okay, so far that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 products. And there's one more in here. This is by Tarte. It's Quench Hydrating Primer. Rainforest of the Sea. All right. A hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants. Okay. I'm not opposed to a good primer either, because, you know, I got these fun lines and these fun lines. So a primer's a good thing. So that's our Sephora Play Box. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. So again, we got I'm venturing to say full-size eyeliner. We got the lipstick. We got some smell good. We can prime our face before all that. We can radiate our face. Yeah, radiate our face. No, that was me trying to be funny. And then we should probably do the face mask before we do all of it. Yes, I'm pretty stoked for $10. I think that's a great deal, and it does kind of push me toward maybe putting my Birchbox on hold and trying the Sephora for a little while. Cute little bag. So we're just going to set this aside for a minute. The next unboxing is my Influenster. Influenster, I've been messing with it for probably 2 years, maybe 3. It's a product discovery and review app. So they send you surveys and you fill out data. And if you meet the criteria for a particular campaign, they send you a product to try for free. And the stipulations are that you review it on your social media channels. So maybe it's a Facebook post or an Instagram post. I just love it because I get to try really cool stuff. And it doesn't cost me anything. We've gotten a men's Dove box. I've gotten some hair coloring. At the moment, of course, I'm going blank. But the latest one is the L'Oreal Paris box. And actually, they shipped fast. I just got an email yesterday that I was picked. They call these VoxBoxes. So I got an email that said, you're in for the next VoxBox. So it just came in like the day after I got the email. So that was pretty cool. Ooh, I see goodies. Which, yeah, I knew there'd be goodies, but I see goodies plural. So Influenster, there's the card that tells you a little bit more about what you're getting. So the first, and typically these are full-size products. The L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum. More supple feeling skin starts day 1. So, pretty down with that. Every morning and evening, apply 2 to 3 drops to the face. Okay, go L'Oreal. This is Revitalift Derm Intensive 10% pure vitamin C concentrate for visible radiance in 1 week. So this one, every morning and evening, smooth onto face, avoiding the eye area for best results used with other Revitalift products. So this is supposed to visibly reduce fine lines and give you brighter, more youthful radiance. This is supposed to visibly plump for younger looking skin. Return a youthful, bouncy feel to the skin. I need a youthful, bouncy feel to my skin. So with Influencer, I will put my link below. It's really low key. You do have to download the app, but you go through the link. It will ask you some questions about your lifestyle, about your current skincare regime, about your makeup preferences. It's a fairly in-depth study of you. And then every so often they'll send you an email and they'll be like, hey, answer these questions to see if you qualify for our next box. So I always do the surveys. A lot of times I don't qualify. But what I'll do now that I have the box is I'll go into my app. I will click that I've got it. And I'll read the requirements. And usually, this also tells me, so I log in and I check out the campaign on my profile. I use the products and then I write a review. And then step 3, post on Instagram using hashtag Revitalift Derm Intensive. So, I mean, that's it. I get to try a free product, and, you know, all I have to do is write a review telling how I liked it. So if you're interested, I'll put my link below that you can use to get into Influenster. But it was a great mail day. Like, I love going to my mailbox. Yes, I paid $10 for this, but I feel like the eyeliner is worth the $10. This was completely free. So I've got 2 full-size products. And so I highly recommend both of these. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to get my workout on here in a minute. So if you like this video, if I gave you some information that you could use, I'd love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. And double would love it if you would subscribe so I can keep doing this and justify it. Otherwise, this is just me talking to my phone for no good reason, which I'm not opposed to. So anyway, have a good day, guys. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.